The DJI Mini 2 is here, and you may already known it because leaker's gonna leak. But anyway, this is DJI's smallest folding drone, and it still weighs just 249 grams, but has a handful of updates to make it a little bit more enticing for those who may have stayed away from the original, but probably not enough to trade the old one for the new one. But I'll go through all the new features and you can decide for yourself. The biggest upgrades are to the camera and at least what the camera is capable of capturing. It still has a point-and-shoot camera-sized 1/2.3-inch image sensor, so nothing new there, but it can capture video in 4K at 30 frames per second at a bit rate of 100 megabits per second, which is a bump up from 2.7K at 40 megabits per second, and that basically means your video will have more detail to it. Also at 4K, you get a 2x digital zoom. And if you're okay shooting in full HD, you get a 4x digital zoom, but it really doesn't look great. For photos, the Mini 2 captures 12 megapixel shots, and if you want JPEG and RAW capture, it has the option for Adobe RAW format now as well. The small sensor won't give you much room for corrections, but something is better than nothing in this case, and I'm all for that. You also get things like exposure bracketing and panorama options. Essentially, if you're looking for improved photos and videos for sharing, that's what you're getting with this update. DJI includes its fun Quickshots too, so you can capture all kinds of dronies automatically. And once you've landed, you can transfer the shots directly to your phone at a quick 20 megabytes per second. Now, along with the updated camera, you're getting an updated controller, and it moves your phone from below the controls to above, which is just a better, more comfortable position for both holding and flying. But more importantly, this and the drone move away from a Wi-Fi connection that's limited in range and prone to interference to DJI's OcuSync, which extends your transmission range out to 10 kilometers or 6.2 miles and has anti-interference technology that blocks unwanted signals. So those are the big new features, although DJI did use new improved motors here that are better in winds up to 24 miles per hour and more efficient, extending its flight time to 31 minutes, which is up from 30 minutes. So not much extra there, but again, something's better than nothing. So that's it. You've got 4K video, raw photo capture, and OcuSync for better video transmission range, and a minute more battery life. The standard package includes the Mini 2, the controller, and one battery for $449. And then there's the Fly More combo, which includes 3 batteries, the charging hub, a carrying case, and the drone and controller for $599. So if you recently picked up the original Mini on sale, you got a good deal. One last thing I wanted to mention is that while this is DJI's least expensive folding drone and it's positioned for beginners, I hesitate to say that simply because there are fewer features here to keep you out of trouble. Namely, there are no sensors here for obstacle avoidance, and without those, DJI also doesn't include active track subject tracking, so you'll have to move up to a Mavic Air 2 for those. Still, I'm in favor of actually learning how to keep yourself out of trouble and from crashing without the training wheels of the sensors, and this is an excellent drone to do that with. Thanks for watching, and check out more details on the new Mini 2 on CNET.com, and let us know what you think in the comments.